What's going on, guys? It's your boy Ish back at it for another office vlog, guys. It's officially day 4 of the office vlog. We upgraded the camera quality, as you guys could tell. So a few things that we got to get started today. First of all, I flew back from Miami, rode my jet skis, did whatever I had to do, and now, you know, here we are, game time again. I lost a couple of days, about 8 days, but we did maintain sales for the company. We did pretty good. Maz, please tell us, have we recouped all of the money we lost this Miami trip?
So I'll tell you guys this. He spent so much money on flight tickets. He got business class. Flight got cancelled. He's like, nah, I don't need a flight. I'll book another flight, business class. So he flew from business class to business class, spent all of the budget, and I'll show you the stuff he brought with us as well. Come here, look at all this stuff. Do we need this stuff? Probably. But do we need it right now? All of this stuff in just 1 month?
Bro, we needed to invest in the company, bro. If I'm not gonna invest, who is? No one.
If he spends like this every month, I'm telling you guys, these vlogs will be like a single-digit series. Like no more than 9 vlogs. The company will go down.
And we're doing what we have to do. We're making stuff happen. We got some cameras. This is only half the stuff, guys. You should see all the stuff that we actually got. Half the stuff. I thought I was gonna get arrested at the freaking airport. I thought they were gonna think I had a bomb or something like that. But anyways, guys, we're gonna get into the video and let's go. Let's get it, guys. I'm back. I'm from freaking Florida. We're getting things started. Okay, guys, real quick, daily operations for today. You know, keep everything very consistent the same way you guys been going. I've been really impressed with you guys. You know, I left for a couple of days, but you guys actually did manage to, you know, keep the company alive and afloat. So I really do appreciate that. Content team, I know you guys had some problems, but we'll take care of that. That's not a problem. Operations team, I know you guys have been doing really good. I've been doing the funding. I've been doing everything you guys need me to. And we'll make sure we keep going in that same direction. Other than that, guys, I brought some new technology, new equipment and stuff like that that we can use as a team. So we're going to be bringing in 4 or 5 Mac Minis. We're going to be building some, you know, really good setups so we can really, you know, optimize our time here. Sales team, just want to say a really big congratulations and thank you for you guys. You guys been killing it, crushing it. You know, we locked in about 5 to 6, 7, 8K. I don't even remember at this point. You guys got to run me the numbers. But you guys did some really good numbers this weekend. I'm very impressed. Other than that, guys, let's get started with the day and let's keep going.
Yo. Okay, so yeah, so Ish is back and yeah, it was quite a hectic journey without him, I'd say, because it was a lot of work. I had to work with our email coder and he was a tough nut to crack as he was not responding to our messages at first. So we had to, you know, work in a little more strict way in order to get him to work. Yeah, so that was a little hectic job. Other than that, we have been, you know, working on re-optimizing our campaigns. You guys have seen our little argument for re-optimizing our campaigns. There were lots and lots of ads.
How can you possibly spend $1,300 in a single day off campaigns?
Bro, don't ask me. This past 9 days, we have been working hard to get across that. We have been re-optimizing our campaigns lots and lots. And finally, when he's back, he's happy. And he also, you know, kind of apologized to me about what happened earlier. And he was saying, yeah, well done, good job. And I can expect bonus. Let's hope for the best.
What I have to say, I have no more purpose of life. Everything's ended. He's back.
So Biros, what happened to the polls and the woman you were gonna get?
Everything's end, bro. I feel like this is the end of this earth. Nothing. I don't see any hope. Everything's dark.
What about the pizza party?
I might get my consultancy with some psychologist. That will be a better option. Yeah, I have nothing to say, bro. It's so sad. I was expecting like something will happen, like he might not get the visa, he might not get his passport cancelled, he might get arrested at the airport, but no, everything got so smooth and he's just back with all those Mac Minis and now have to work more. Okay, all jokes aside, I'm really happy that everything's here. All the things I wanted for my content team is here. We are full on gear now, and we're gonna grind so bad, baby. You're gonna see us. We're gonna make some massive action and dominate the market.
So guys, Ish is back, finally back from Florida. He went for like 7 days. He was supposed to go for 7 days, but he's back after like 9 days. Went on jet skis. So while he was gone, I maintained the sales. My team really worked hard. Our team has the lowest number of people in the whole company. We have just 3 people working hard every day. We have spread over our timings, like compensated all time zones of clients from all countries, all over the place. So we maintained sales. We had like an average of like I guess 1 to 2K per day. So that's really good. Especially while he was gone, you know, like Ish is a big part of the sales team as well. So we maintained good sales and yeah.
Leave me alone. Frick you. Alright guys, what's going on? I'm back and I'm fatter. I had a lot of fun over there. Rode jet skis, did everything I wanted to do, but you know, things did go as planned, thank God. A few things that I did, you know, see a problem with was the content team. They kind of had some altercations when it comes to making content and posting it and everything like that. I really wasn't satisfied with them, so I'm gonna have a talk with them. A salary day payday is coming for the boys as well, so we're gonna have to, you know, manage that as well. I'm broke. I got no more money. I spent all my money out there in Florida, you know, getting new tech, getting new equipment for the team, getting a bunch of new things, real estate projects. I spent $31,000 this month on stuff that I don't even know what I spent on. That's the craziest part. Other than that, guys, we're gonna keep grinding, we're gonna keep drilling. Tomorrow, I wanna show you guys the real estate property that we've been working on. That's gonna be an insane project, guys. You don't understand, we got approved for 7 stories up. So right now, we're just gonna be building the first 3. Like I said, I'm broke, I got no money. So as soon as we go ahead and get some more money, we're gonna run up and build the next 7 and build the next 3 stories. So other than that, things are looking pretty solid. We're gonna get some big old computers in here, some really powerful stuff that is gonna help the business expand. You know, this is a dream comes true, man. I really wanted to get to this point. It's been insane, the growth that my company has been seeing the past few months, and we're really trying to hit the 6-figure month mark now. We have some insane softwares. We have operation teams that's been killing it, guys. Luckily, I've been blessed with a really solid team that could help me get to that point. So right now, you know, we're just gonna keep grinding, trying to hit those 6-7-figure months, and let's get it, man.
So we got $350 through PayPal. We're gonna run the guy's campaign tomorrow because we're gonna be packing bags today. So he's gonna pay $350 tomorrow as well. So it's for the whole 30 days. He didn't have the cash on him that time, but he wanted to lock in the seats because the seats are limited. We got 200, another 200 to Cash App as well. So that's like a bonus, you know, like all of these other payment methods, they have a lot of deductions. And out here in LA, you know, like where taxes are so like prominent, we don't like want to get we don't want to cut too much payments. So Cash App is the way. Other than that, we have a lot of clients lined up for tomorrow as well. We put all of their info in the CRM, so we have like a good access to that. So we can hit them up tomorrow and chat with them on that as well.
Our freaking sales guy is the best guy in the game, bro. This guy is completely organized when it comes to making payments come through and how to organize everything. We locked in how much today?
We locked in $3,500.
Frick, man, 35.
And I'm still at work. So
yeah.
after this vlog is done, I might lock in some others as well.
So yeah, guys, like I said, at the end of the day, like this is an office, but at the end of the day, this is a cash flowing business, and we're doing some really good numbers. And hopefully you guys like enjoy this kind of content where we break down the numbers for you guys and stuff like that. And yeah, guys, sheesh, Maz, sheesh.
You guys know it.
Today we took care of about 50 to 60 clients, ran lots of campaigns. And again, the optimization is good, and we're constantly re-optimizing our, campaigns. You can see it's a lot of complicated work. Yeah, that's how service fulfillment works. Yeah. Moreover, so that was the things that we do here. Lots of work, complicated work, and we try to execute it as efficiently as possible. As discussed with Ish, we are constantly re-optimizing, and we are trying to get the budget as low as possible.
Yeah, like explaining this is what we want to do, you know. Everyone out here. So I got MK a brand new iPad Pro. We got this 128 gigs. So right now he's making some testimonial content for the company.
Finalize this testimonial.
Yeah, so pretty much what he's doing on the computer, he got to basically now do it on the phone now. It's pretty simple, it's way more efficient because last time we didn't have a lot of technology for us to make this kind of content. So now we can make this kind of content and go faster and move faster. So that's great. So he's making content. We have Photoshop, we have Premiere and everything like that on this. Just post it to the CRM, get it done, have it sent to the operations team, and just you're good to go from there. Okay. Yeah, guys, iPads, computers, we got everything. We're gonna get LCDs tomorrow, so that's gonna be a really cool upgrade. We got real estate that's doing amazing right now, guys. We actually have a full-on built foundation for the real estate. I'm gonna show some pictures right here and videos that you guys can see. We're gonna go check it out tomorrow, me and the videographer, so we can go see how it looks in person. So hopefully you guys are ready for that kind of content. It's gonna be insane. It's a really big milestone for us. It's about 5,000 square feet after it's all done and built. And yeah, guys, I want to show you that. So it's gonna really, really save.